Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you in this new episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. And this week has been fascinating. We were expecting certain kind of bearish moves and those targets got completed. It was euphoric fall, and in this euphoric fall or a panic fall you can say, in this fall our targets got completed on Monday itself, and then eventually we were into a sideways kind of a trend, and again for last couple of days we are seeing a good kind of a fall, and now everybody is thinking about what will be the level when we'll be able to see the bounce, right? We are going to answer all these questions. So do watch this video till the very end. We are going to talk about indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are also going to talk about one more stock, and I'm going to give you targets for the coming week. So let's start with today's Market Kya Lagta Hai message. Market Kya Lagta Hai message I keep on sharing with my group, and this is what today's morning message I started very early today. So 7 o'clock I was ready with my view, and the message goes something like Nifty range may be 15,000 and 15,500, Bank Nifty range may be 32,000, 32,500 and 33,000. Averages discounts everything. What does it mean? So average discounts everything. Whatever news or any event that happens, the averages, the indices are not going to change their trend, right? So a news is not going to affect the trend of the market. The market will change its trend at its own time. So the Fed rate hike not gone well with the markets. Market we saw 2.5% correction yesterday, and from there we were looking at the panic selling in Indian as well as US market. Nifty low of 15,671 is now broken. So officially we are into a bearish territory, but you know, whenever these kind of dramatic things happen, like a very significant low is broken, that is the level where I feel that the foundation of a new bull run is being laid. So we have to just go through this analysis and understand where we are currently and what kind of expectations we have for the coming week. So today being last trading day of the week, we may see a bottom formation in first hour of the market. This was my message, and weekly bullish divergences to show its impact from Monday. So the trend may change to bullish. This is what I had mentioned in the morning. So again, here the message which is written after that. So in my understanding, the panic bottom is made. If today we open below yesterday's low, then the first hour will be crucial. In any case, we should see some relief today, and on Monday, the bullish reversal will be visible to the charts, on the charts. Dow Jones and Nifty both have daily and weekly bullish divergences. Maybe time for a bounce. We must trade as per the levels. Our view should help us taking correct trade, right? So this is what my today morning's message was, and after that, when I mentioned that we'll see a bounce in first 1 hour, let me just take you on a 15-minute chart. So on a 15-minute chart, this was a panic low that was been formed, and immediately bounced off from these levels. Now these lows were protected for the entire day, and I have reasons to believe, looking at the charts, looking at the technicals, that these levels will be preserved, and Monday onwards we'll see some bullish action, some firework, and in coming days we are expecting a stronger bullish run. Okay, so this is what the primary expectation is. Now interestingly, when we started last week, these were our targets. We started off from here. Monday it opened below our second target, right? This is where we were expecting market to be, and then it was consolidating for a couple of days, 3 days probably, and after these 3 days it opened gap up yesterday, and then there was a panic selling happening. Whenever this panic selling happens, just imagine, understand that we are very close to the bottom formation or reversal from those levels, right? So this is very critical, very interesting. Now from these levels, when we are expecting a bounce, what is the target that we are looking at? Primarily we need to understand what kind of a target we are looking at. Now here the range for this week is going to be nice. So it will be 15,300 and 15,500 is what I am expecting. We'll keep it 600. Okay. So this is where I am expecting market to be, and hopefully, or my expectation will be it to break it on the upside, right? So this is the bottom where we are right now, and hopefully it should break above and settle somewhere around 15,500, 600 by Thursday, next Thursday. Friday can again be momentum, but then again these kind of moves, it has to be a very stronger pullback, stronger bullish moves, right? So this is something that we have to understand. We are in a bearish territory, that's the reason I'm using this word stronger bullish pullback. But then after this fall, I'm expecting market to reach to a greater heights, greater level. Okay. So if we want to plot Fibonacci here from this previous high, so naturally the target comes to, first target will be 15,528, second target will be somewhere here 15,798, so 15,800 you can say. So it is 15,800. If I can make it a little thinner. Yep. And target for Nifty 15,800. Okay, I'll say bullish target for Nifty because everything is targets. So it's a bullish target for Nifty. Okay, so this is what we are looking at in this week. So this is about Nifty. Bank Nifty, we were fortunate. Then again the targets that we had mentioned about 33,500 and 85, both these targets got completed at open. Bank Nifty also did the similar scenario. Surprisingly, this time around, why these important levels are marked on the chart, I always had this level of 32,570 top, which was made on 30th December 2019, pre-COVID, COVID ke pehle. So we took support here at this level, and from the same level we have seen this bounce. Now the range for this particular week is going to be 32,500. So 32,500, and here it is 34. Bank Nifty should give us a very quick, fast kind of a move. Bank Nifty should give us a quick kind of a move. So let us see how this actually delivers. So this is where my target is. Again, from here the target, first target will be 33,500 and second target will be 34,000. So I'll just change bullish in front of these targets. Bullish target for Bank Nifty, and this will be bullish target. So bullish target, these two bullish targets will be there for Bank Nifty. Cool. So this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Most importantly, next week, which stock you will trade. So by looking at the outperforming stocks, you must have gone through various videos that I have created about stock pick. And if you go back to those videos and see the outperforming stocks with respect to those respective index, like if I am talking about ICICI Bank now or HDFC Bank now, so these are the banks which are outperforming the banking index. If I am talking about Reliance Industries, then I am talking about the oil and gas index. Or if I am talking about Asian Paint, I am talking about consumer goods. So that way, if you see, or if you compare that with Nifty, so the way Nifty is correcting or the way Nifty has corrected so far, and after that, if a particular stock is available at a better valuation and it is providing us a better opportunity, then that is the stock we'll be looking at. So right now we are looking at ICICI Bank, and look at here on a Bank Nifty chart, while Bank Nifty was not giving such a stronger move during the day, look at ICICI Bank's performance. So this is ICICI Bank on RD chart, and it's going very strong here, right? So if we go by this action, if I quickly plot my Fibonacci here, okay, so the target that I'm expecting is somewhere around, we are at 688 right now, okay, and we are expecting a target of somewhere around 723, 25. This can be one target. So a target, ICICI Bank target of 730. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting in ICICI Bank. So you can just enter into this bank with smaller quantity and then wait for the target to reach to 730. You can book partial profit at 730 and trail rest of the profit for the remaining period. I believe this rally should go on minimum for 15 to 20 days, and we'll review it after a couple of weeks or 3 weeks about where we are expecting this target or this rally of Nifty and Bank Nifty to be headed. But guys, I want all of you to do well, and in this phase where we have been able to identify this bottom, now there will not be any more fall in next couple of weeks at least, and it will be a good bullish range, good bullish rally. So make most of it, and do write to me in comment how helpful this video for you for your trading and understanding about overall market. Thank you so much.